Hello. Yes, I just want to give you guys a follow up on the discussion we had in class. I know there was an issue with the chapter assignments where you could not uh, take the assignment at the second time or the third time. So what we discover is this. So when you go into the assignment, and I'm going to use an example. That's chapter one assignment just to demonstrate how this works. So if you go to chapter one, for instance, so what you're going to see is just give me a minute for the assignment to populate. But what you're going to see is basically the three attempts for that assignment. So you're going to see attempt one, attempt two, and the third attempt. And we know that the way the assignments are set up, they are set up in sections. So what you have to do is you basically have to complete a section and grade each section before you can get another version of the test, which will take you to the second attempt. And I'm just going to give you an example. Let's say you go to the second part of the assignment and you get the questions and you can see you have attempt one, attempt two, and the third one. But in order for you to move to the second attempt, what you'll need to do is, of course, is to score the that part of the assignment. So you're just going to score the assignment, and what you do, you don't save and continue. What you need to do is to grade this part of the assignment, the second part of the assignment. So if you grade this assignment, then it gives you the feedback, how you performed on that assignment. And then the only way you move is you can see on top of, for example, out of that assignment, I got zero point 0.8 here, and I've completed my first attempt on this assignment. So I can now move to the second. I can do now take the second attempt by just again, you can review where you went wrong, and then what you'll do is you'll go down here and you'll have the option of try another version of the assignment. Now this gives you another set of the assignment for the second part of the assignment. So you'll do this, try another version, and by so doing, you're basically taking it through the second attempt. And again, you'll do the same thing because it gives you a different set of questions, and you'll grade this part of the assignment, and that way you'll have done your second attempt. And now you can again to do this third attempt, you'll have to again review, how you fared on the test, on the assignment, sorry. And then of course you try another version, and that will give you the third attempt. And then once you take the third attempt, then now you can say continue, and the continue will take you to the second part of the assignment. Again, you can see in this section, you get to part three of the assignment, and you just do the same thing. So you're going to go through again, walk through the assignment, select your choices, and then once you're done, you grade that third part of the assignment, and then you review again how you performed, and then you'll have to go back and click on try another version, and it's going to give you a different set of questions for that part. And again, you do the same thing. Again, once you're done, you grade the work, and you have the third attempt. And then once you're done with that part, now you can continue and you can move to part four of the assignment. So this is the only way you can do to try to get the second attempt for the assignment. So you have to do this on every single part of the assignment. Score, take the first attempt, score it, get another version of the test, do the same thing until you have exhausted all your three attempts. Again, if you want to do the three attempts, if you just want to do two attempts, just do the two attempts and you're okay and continue, because if you scored well on the second attempt, you don't have to do the third attempt. What it's going to be is that the assignment will pick up the highest out of all those 3 attempts or 2 attempts. But just make sure you're doing this for each question before you move on. So don't use the uh, continue if you have not taken your second attempt or the third attempt. So hopefully this information helps. Try it and let me know if you have any questions. But I think this is the only way you can get a second attempt and you get a different version of the test. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the class next week. Thank you.